Well, I'm going to start off this video with the parts I've bought this week. First was from Kieran O'Sullivan. And a big shout out to Generation VW Classic Car Parts. Classic Parts. There's the email address. Yeah, contacted him some caddy bits. So I've got the inner fuel filler neck panel for the Volkswagen Caddy. And the air filter. You've seen on the previous video that it was all cracked here and just taped up. So that come, and also he chucked in a pair of door handles. Happy days. Then, during the week, Jack, thanks so much, Jack. I got my missing tailgate bracket there. It's missing the rubber, so I'm going to have to make a rubber up. And I bought, these are the dearer ones, set of door handles. They come with a key, that's for the caddy, all the key etc. is inside. So yeah, spanking. This is the last of the parts I'm spending. So not starting the project, as you know, not yet. But still, I got them. So happy days, thanks to Kieran. And shout out his company there. And a shout out to Jack, local guy, his caddy, will be coming on the channel soon. Right, just waiting on another parts haul. It's Sunday morning, but I'm just doing like a catch-up video. I'll do a quick video when I'm home to see what I've done there as well. Alright, here's the parts haul I was talking about. We've got a Baja kit missing the rear panel. But I've got two front wings, two rear wings, a bonnet, and the front panel. Just need the engine. And also doing a trade with all this. I've got to come out tomorrow now and find a place. If I'm doing the pickup build, etc., I've got a nice plastic cover there for the down there about. Right, let's go on and I'll show you a couple other little jobs I've been doing. So Tuesday, help from Big Al and his son Mackenzie. Finally got the engine in the patina bug. This will be finding a new home next month, which is good. And as you can see, it's a little 1300 engine. This belonged to Project Matey under the cover there. He brought it all up and running, so just started to wire it all up. Get a new fuel line on next week. But he's in. Got to get the engine seal, obviously. Yeah, he just fell in, so happy days on that. Yeah, going to a new home, and what a bug. Been on the channel plenty of times. Had him come up for a year, I think. Yeah, lovely. Yeah, he's locked in here, yeah. Funny thing was, last week couldn't find the key. Thinking, me and Mrs. pushed it here. So it had no engine in. It was only in the beige bug over there on the seat. Funny. But there you go. Tina bug. More on that if you want to see. I've got brakes to do, front brakes. Yeah, get them going next week. So Wednesday I was on the square back. Cut a bit more of the rust out. Not too bad. Made up my own spare wheel well panel with a bead row. Now the first one was perfect. That's with help from Mrs. Coco. Then she had to go out. I was waiting on the caddy bits. This is cool. About 5:30, I think. I've been here since 8, so getting a bit tired. Look at that wonky donkey. So it was a two-man job getting the bead row. But I've got the shape. I got my metal this morning. So cut another piece out. And I'll set up the old bead row. But yeah. Saying that, me and Mrs. Coco's is one key. No, that's the one I've done. Yeah, Mrs. Coco's was perfect. Hey, should get her here more often. Brake pipes, I'm making my own brake pipes. This is the original one. I've got new hoses for the square back. And yeah, to set this one back up, the old Sykes. It's got to be 50s or 60s. That's the flare it come up with. Well, I mean, I've got to show you the beam. It's only temporary hung, but I had to open up that hole there, and it sits bang on in the middle now. I was about 4 mil out, but he's sitting bang on. So the next couple of weeks started to button this up. But yeah, he's all in position. Adjustable beam there. I've got all the stuff to build it up. Just gotta find some bore joints and tie rods. So I'm gonna double check all my stash, see what I've got, what I ain't got, and hurry up and crack on with this thing. Get him back on the road. So that's a replacement panel cut out. New metal. Bead row, I used the same thickness of bead. Probably just keep it with the same too, to be honest. Just give it a little bit more strength, but I'm not putting a spare wheel in the well anyway, just to make it look pretty. Probably do smaller one actually. Coming across, don't need to do the full length. All right, happy days. Just went upstairs to the part stash. Found new old stock track rod ends. 4 of them. I'm going to need a left hand one as well, so double check them. Found a bore joint and a steer arm. Looks rusty. I think I might have a couple more, but it works a treat. So I'll see if I'll clean them up. May use it, or may just buy new probably. Paint removal on the ghia. It's the main part here. Mike F. Hang on YouTube is giving me a tip on the paint removal coating, so I'll be doing that this week. As you can see, cool as hell, getting all the paint removed. Hopefully this week I'll get at the roof. It's all green. Windy again up here. Yeah, you can see all the green there. And the back panel. So with that, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Buy me a coffee.com. Not a toffee. They can do. Coffee.com. Amazon wish list. And yeah, getting things done. Cheers.